In previous video, we converted a PNG image to a Base64 data URL. In this one, we are going to do the contrary. We have this file already generated from the previous video. We are going to read from this file and then convert it back to an image. We start simply by opening the text file containing the URL. Then we read the content. We put it in the data variable. Then we are going to test that variable. If there is the semicolon indicating that there is this Base64 header, we remove the header by splitting the data at the semicolon and keeping the second part that will not contain the header part. Otherwise, we'll keep the data as it is. Then, just in case, saved from any spaces, then we decode our string to recuperate the correct image data. We open a new file, a PNG file, in writing binary mode as a file, and then we write it to an image, and we print finally that the conversion was correct. The printing is not mandatory. Now we have our image. We can check it out. This is the image we used in our video to create the txt file, so we know that the conversion was correct. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.